Alright, I've just got an update here at McClellan Street in downtown Athens, Alabama. As you can see, CSX is in the process of upgrading this crossing to gated signals. It looks like this one's just temporarily wired into the old relay case at the moment, because there's only 4 wires coming out of the base, so I doubt the ANG bell on it works yet. Hopefully I can get something here to see, but it seems like NS is doing some track work down around Decatur. Anyways, right now, as you can see, we got a A's base on this new signal that's been installed. And then right here we got a Siemens gate mechanism. Looks like it's an S, I'm gonna guess it's probably an S60 knowing CSX. Then right here we got the emergency information. As see, dot number is 352068K. Milepost is 000 293.22. The lights on this signal are all Westcoin 12 by 24-inch lights with Leotech EV series LEDs in them, as you can see right there. And then on the side of the signal, mounted off the light bracket, is the NEG electronic bell. Like I said, I don't think this works. Right over there is the new relay case. As you can see, it's off. There's also laying right next to it a gate arm with NEG LED gate lights mounted on, which I believe is for this signal. Come over here. Here's the other signal. Not too much to look at over here. They just got no change to this guy yet, thankfully, but they just got the foundation for the new signal and the wire for it. And of course right there's the old relay case, which is still active right now. The signal maintainer, CSX high-rail truck down there, it just pulled up, so I don't know what's going on there. So yeah, here's the update to McClellan Street in downtown Athens. Over and out.